Hey fam, it's Chef Ari here. Welcome back to our channel Exploring Chef's World. Today I would like to impart my knowledge regarding white vegetables. Let's get started. While it's true that brightly colored produce boast compounds which will boost health, an equivalent can actually be said of white vegetables. In groups, white vegetables supply many vitamins, minerals and beneficial phytonutrients, natural plant chemicals. For instance, mushrooms are one among the few natural sources of vitamin D apart from sun, also as a bridge to heart healthy vitamins and minerals. Cauliflower falls within the botanical family Brassica as cabbage, kohlrabi, kale and broccoli provides cancer combatant compounds a bit like its kind. White potatoes are highly nutritious, providing loads of potassium, fiber, some vitamin C and magnesium. Onions are members of the allium genus of vegetables and contain quercetin, a phytonutrient with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power. Rest assured, once you eat these vegetables, no matter which of them they are or what color they are, you are doing your body a nutritional favor. Eating the rainbow is all the crazy lately, but we frequently ditch one vital color, white. White fruits and vegetables are very nutritious and play a crucial role during a healthy diet. From onions to cauliflower and everything in between, here are the health benefits of those white foods, also as easy ways to include them into your diet alongside nutriment. Help lower cholesterol. Vegetables like onion, potatoes and garlic are filled with allyl sulfides, which are shown to assist lower cholesterol levels. Prevent cancer. Cauliflower, one among today's trendiest vegetables, is filled with antioxidants that are shown to assist within the battle against certain cancers, including breast, bladder, colon and prostate. Protect the heart. We all know garlic may be a delicious vegetable thanks to the flavor. But did you recognize it also can improve heart health? Garlic contains diallyl trisulfide, which may be a powerful component that has been scientifically proven to treat coronary failure and protect the heart during and after operation. Support bone health. Did you recognize that eating onion can help prevent bone loss? Actually, studies have shown that regular onion consumption can help women past the age of menopause to prevent hip fractures. Even though some people think that white isn't a color, the white fruits and vegetables have many nutrients including beta-glucans, EGCG, SDG and lignans. These nutrients helps to balance hormones, which successively reduce the danger of the various cancers concerning hormones. Moreover, they have the facility to activate the B and T cells which help battle cancer within the body, specifically prostate, colon and carcinoma. They also helps our system, which is typically an honest thing. Hey fam, if you find this content good, please like our video, share, subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.